We began by teaching skills in Pashto and Urdu, and now we're excited to teach in English too, with subtitles in your language. Anyone can learn. Now we're also teaching advanced level fashion designing in English. And for your love, we created Asyans, a unique, customizable brand just for you. Follow us, stitch with us, and create with us. Asyans, where culture meets creativity.
Welcome to our first hand embroidery lesson. Today we will learn how to set up our materials before starting any stitch. For this you will need an embroidery hook, a plain piece of fabric, embroidery needles, colorful threads, and carbon paper. First, place the fabric over the inner ring of the hook and secure it tightly with the outer ring. Make sure the fabric is smooth and firm. Next, cut a length of embroidery thread not too long so it does not tangle. Thread your needle carefully and tie a small knot at the end. Before we begin stitching, we first need to transfer our design onto the fabric. Place your printed or draw design. If the fabric is light, you will see the pattern through it. For darker fabrics, you can use tracing paper or carbon paper. Using a pencil, fabric marker, or erasable pen, carefully trace the design lines. A clear and neat tracing will make your embroidery work easier and more beautiful. Now your setup is ready. In our next step, we will start with the basic stitches. Let's begin our creative journey together.
Thank you for watching Asyans, where culture meets creativity. Subscribe now and join our journey of handmade elegance.